If your kitchen feels more last century than cutting edge, it's time for a change with Capital City Mortgage. Hey, homeowners, ever wish you could give your home a makeover? With Capital City Mortgage's HELOC and renovation loans, you can unlock the equity in your home to fund that dream kitchen, spa-like bathroom, or even a cozy outdoor space. A home equity line of credit gives you flexible access to funds when you need them. Or choose a renovation loan to finance those big projects up front. The best part? You can boost your home's value and enjoy living in your dream space. Whether it's a small upgrade or a major overhaul, Capital City Mortgage has got you covered. Ready to transform your home? Reach out today and let's get started. Capital City Mortgage, your partner in home transformation.